Giga Knowledge Spark is an innovative pilot program where we are tapping into the ideas from 25 master's students coming from 7 Swiss universities. And we're asking them to think in terms of how can we tackle the challenge of creating incentives towards meaningful connectivity. And we broke down the question in 4 challenges. The first one is about multi-sectoral approaches or whole of government approaches. The second one is about economies of scale, then taxation, and lastly, innovative finance.
Personal highlight is actually today, where the students are able to present their work that they co-collaborate and co-ideate together. We want to inspire young people to bring their own solutions to problems that are plaguing the international world, the multilateral system, and we want to give them a voice.
So the main issue is under a regulatory approach. So there's right now there's a fragmentation of licensing and ICT services overall in all Africa and across different countries. So our issue was mainly addressing this fragmentation by having a collaborative approach that would actually service all these sectors and put them all together into a policy to practice framework.
The challenge that we have been working on is to create innovative financing models to address inadequate infrastructure. And a key takeaway that we have is that when it comes to school connectivity in Africa, one of the major barriers isn't just technology anymore, it's also how to coordinate different actors, different financing streams, how to set the right incentives for actors to actually fund these projects.
The challenge that we've been working on is on taxation policy. And the key takeaway is that the IT sector and telecom sector in sub-Saharan Africa is one of the highest taxed sectors because it's so easy to tax compared to the rest of the informal economy. And trying to find ways to circumvent this situation and make it meaningful in the future.
We focused on economies of scale and to really be able to take advantage of that. We looked at the standardization of infrastructure, which is something that's difficult to achieve, especially when the existing infrastructure is already there. And we also realized that regional cooperation is a big opportunity to be able to unite how countries apply these and carry out these operations.